Hello everyone, welcome to Remindax demo. In this demo, we are going to discuss how the Remindax works. Now we will be coming on to the templates topic. Templates are for three: email, SMS and WhatsApp. So we can see different email templates. So if we would like to edit the existing one, we can do that. If we would like to create a new email template, we can do that as well. So if we are creating a new email template, then this is a from name. Let's say this is your name or your company name and you would like to mention, so this is from the Amazon and Mr. Michael is there who will be receiving reminders from at amazon.com. Michael at Amazon. This is just for example. So whenever the email is going, so this is the from name that will be shown, and anybody who is replying, so you will be able to see reply over there on your this email. And this is the subject. Over here you can mention expiring, document type, folder name, but there are different template variables which you can use, and you can mention the, let's say, expiring, document type, expiring on expiry date, so you can mention that. And now we can see that we have a default template in front of us and we would like to delete some rows and columns, so we can do that. I don't want this, I don't want this row, I don't want department or company because I have just one, but this is the expiry date which I would like to give it a bold color so that anybody who is seeing, they can do that. I would like to give it a red color as well because this is something I would like to let people know. And if I would like to give dear, now I have chosen, I can remove dear underscore customer first name. So you can basically choose the name as well, contact first name. So you can choose the contact first name over here, dear contact first name. The document is expiring as per below details. Kindly take action promptly. So this is basically the email template which I can basically create a new one. That is totally dependent on me and how I would like to create one. And if I would like to add further my signatures, I can do that. How does it really looks like? If I don't want to see the Remindax logo, I can choose it. And if I would like to add logo of my company, so I can just choose the picture of the logo and I can insert that and it will be shown over here, and you will be able to see that you can, anybody who is receiving the email reminder, they will be able to see, so this is from the company, from your company. If you would like to see how does it really email template look like before sending to anyone, and you would like to see, I would like to see Michael at amazon.com, just give an example. How does the email look like? So you can send the test email and have a look at that. Then there are different template variables which you can see, and there are different template design help where you can see that what you need to do. So this is how basically you will be setting a template. Now we will be jumping on to the email template for SMS, and in the SMS we know that we have character limit for 160 characters, and we need to see that our text should be as per the 60 characters. Reminder alert, hello, and your document is expiring on expiry date. We appreciate your prompt action. So this is how basically you will be able to see how many characters are left, and you would like to set up the expiration. So that's your choice to give the name, and you can do that this is an expiration SMS I would like to send. So yes, you can do that as well. I know I have, the spellings are not right, so yes, definitely I can choose the right. And after that, this is WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp template, there is a limitation. So you will be able to see that this is something which is coming up and basically in the comment section you can see there is you have basically in the notes section of the reminder over here you can basically see there are notes, whatever the notes you have given. So over here you can give the notes over here as well. So there is a limitation, but for expiration it will be shown like this. Then there's the subscription plan that you have purchased, so you will be able to see what is a subscription plan. If you would like to basically jump onto a bigger plans, you can do that, and you would like to see your billing and information, you can do that as well. That's it from my side. If you have any question, you just contact the support and you can proceed to ask any question and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.